Hey everybody, so it's February 27th, 2020, and I'm currently, I currently have 3,432 cash balance, but what I notice is that I have a big buying power. I think it's 4 times buying power. This is a leverage account, so in the past, I don't know why it wasn't showing me any leverage, like my cash balance and this buying power would usually match, I think. But so now I have a lot more buying power, which could work for me, and it also can work against me. What I do in the morning usually, so you guys could kind of tell how I figure out what stock to buy. So I go onto YouTube here, and then I go to my subscriptions down here. And this is one of the guys that goes live pre-market. He has this trade idea scanner, which is $6 a day or $3 a day, and it scans all kind of criteria. So usually I hit that, and then I take off all these comments because they just block the view, and then I change the quality to the highest quality, which is 1080, but I'm just gonna put a 720 because sometimes it slows it down if I put 1080. So then after that, I look at this scanner here. This is the pre-market gappers, small cap. You see it's kind of blurry still, so I might as well take it to 1080p. And once I go there, I can see which ones are gapping up. The leading gapper here is TNXP. It's at $1.78 a share, and it has gone up pre-market 97%. So then what I do, I go back to my Webull and I add that ticker symbol TNXP. So I'm gonna go back to my Webull. I'm gonna go to watch list, which is down here, and then I'm gonna search. So it's TNXP. This is it. And actually, I think it already exists in my watch list, so I do have that in my watch list already. Yesterday, this is one of the ones that capped up. It went 122%, but right now, pre-market, it's up 100%. You see, that's pre-market. So the market actually opens over here at 6:30. So we still got some time. We got like 20 minutes left. And what I think it's going to do is probably going to go down, maybe even down all the way over here, and then it's going to start shooting back up. So let's see the news that it has. Does it have any good news here? 18 hours ago. This is kind of old news. So I just look at that and then I try to find a different one. So I go back here to trade ideas. This is precision day trading, and I try to find a different one so I can have options. And I'm usually looking for the ones that have good news, because if it has good news, more likely than not, it's gonna continue going up after the market opens. But these other ones are expensive. Like this one, CODX is a $16.20 a share. Is expensive. There's AHPI, $6.40 a share. And then there's these penny, like 50-cent stocks here, which those are the riskiest ones. According to Ross Canyon, he doesn't trade them because they're real risky. But I'm thinking about taking the risk today. So I'm just going to put it in and see what kind of news it has. It's this one. If you have bad eyesight, it's kind of hard to see the ticker symbol. But I think it says IBIO. So I'm going to go in to my Webull app. And then I'm going to hit search. I'm going to put IBIO. I think it's that one. So I'm going to hit this plus symbol here to add it. And I'm going to hit here to my watch list. And then done. I hit cancel. is it? Sometimes it's hard to find them, but you can search it here on the search bar too. IBIO. You just hit it here. Yeah, and it's going up. It went from 45 cents to 60 cents. Pre-market. Does it have any good news? Here's why IBIO must play its card just right. I don't know what that means, but that was at 5:52. So a few minutes ago, this news came out by Simply Wall Street. But then there's an announcement of postponed annual meeting. That's not really good news. They postponed a meeting. Okay, so I'm just gonna add another one here. So I'll go back to this Precision Day Trader to his Trade Ideas platform, and I'm gonna see what else is there good. There's AEMD right here. It's only $3.08 a share. It has gone up 63% pre-market. So AEMD. Let's see. AEMD. I'm gonna hit add to my watch list. Done. I'm just gonna look at it. You see, the ones that the ones that have the candlesticks like this, where they're just like little dots, those aren't recommended to. I think that means they have a big spread or something. I'm not sure about that though. But they're a little bit more harder to trade because they jump around, and sometimes they'll jump over whatever price you put in and it doesn't fill you. But it doesn't have any good news here on that. This is news from a day ago, so I don't think I'm gonna trade that either. The only one that kind of looks good is this one, but it doesn't even have like real good news. What does it say? Negatives out there. Shares fallen. This doesn't even have to do with the company. I don't know why they're saying that. What does that have to do with this company? So all this news is old. But I might trade it if it dips down, and then I'm just gonna buy the dip. And by the looks of it, I don't think it's gonna go up much. Like yesterday, it went up 122%. Today, pre-market up 112%. I don't know if it's gonna continue performing like. But what I did notice yesterday. This was yesterday. So yeah, yesterday what it did, it dipped down so it started going down until like 6:46. So 15 minutes of going down, and then it just kept going up. I don't know if it's gonna do the same this time. Sometimes it'll go down and then it'll go back up to that same high and sometimes surpass it. 90 cents. So 45 minutes going down, and then it went back up to its pre-market high, and then it surpassed it, and then it went all the way up to a high of $1.17. So if it could do the same today, like, you know, maybe dip down for 45 minutes, go down to like 140 or 160, and then go back up to 197, surpass 197, and go like to 250 or $2.20. It'll be great. But also another thing I do, I go here, like at this time there's this other guy, Ross Canyon. He's doing a pre-market analysis. Well, he's just doing like a watch list type of thing. I think this is him. He's live right now. He's live, and then he just talks about, hey, but what I noticed that today he doesn't have that trade idea scanner usually right here, and his face is usually a little square right here. He shows his his platform. Not today, I guess. I don't know why. But I like to listen to what he says, maybe for a few minutes, see what his opinion is on these stocks. But I'm gonna turn off my video, and then I'm gonna just continue on. I'm gonna try to record my trade. Okay, so this one, I'm thinking about trading this one. I'm just gonna put in an order like down here if it does the dip. But what I noticed, when you hit the buy button, like there's oh, there is. It says right here 191. Is that the actual price? Let me see. I think it is 191. 190. It went to 190. So let's see, buy. It says 191. And it went down to thing. If you put it sideways, then you can see the actual price where it's at. You see, I think that's the actual price, 193. So then you see it dipped down to 190. Let's see, buy. Does it say? Oh, wow, you could do it that way. I didn't know. Then you can see the price. That's good, because now I can see where it's going and I can adjust my buy price. But anyways, like, how did I do that? So if you guys want to know how I did that, so if you hit this and then you go here and you hit the buy button, you don't see the graph. Oh, but I think you have to hit this button here, up here, the little drop down arrow. There you could see the graph, but I don't like this type of graph. So wait, I think what I did was you can hit this button, which it makes a bigger screen, and then right here you could put buy, and then you see the graph is not the line graph, it's the candlestick graph now, and you can see the price that it's currently at. It's at $1.86, $1.86 a share. So then I can adjust this to whatever. Something I just learned right now, which is good, because if I would have been in the other screen where like you see it's dipping, so I'm gonna try to buy the dip, but the market hasn't opened yet, and I think I'm gonna wait like 15 minutes before buying. Like, it was probably at market, it's gonna continue to go down. But look, if you hit this, you hit the buy button, you see it's that graph. I don't want that graph. So now I know I have to hit this first, which takes me to a bigger screen, and then I can adjust here where I want to buy. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna buy like around here, $1.68 a share. And there I can see the graph. And I could even leave it like that and then adjust it as I go. Just wait 15 minutes here on this screen. But also, if you guys wanted what I noticed in this screen though, it doesn't have the take profit. There's a different little window here. Look, on this screen it does show it. It's this right here. Where is it? Right, this. It doesn't have that. You hit this button and you can put in at where you want to take profit and where you want to cut your losses. So it doesn't have that. But I usually never use it anyways. So, and this is where you put in limit order. Limit order is where you want to buy at a certain price. Market order is it'll get you in at whatever price is currently at. So this is a countdown. 4 more minutes till the market opens. It's 6:26. Hopefully when I turn on the sound, it actually vibrates when I go into the trade, like TDAmeritrade. It's because right now, since I had it in silent mode, it makes no noise. So there, I turned it on. So see here, so it's dropping. Is there any Any news right now? Current news? No current news. But that's the leading gapper, I think, right now. It's actually not showing because I guess since the market's about to open, this thing changed right here. It's this one. You see, it's dropping. So I'm thinking about buying this dip and then shooting up. So right now it's at so if you hit this right here, it's better if you hit that, because look, you hit it and you could see what price it's at. So I'm gonna just leave it on this window, and it's about to open in 1 minute 34 seconds. But you know, it might go up here back again to its high and then start dropping. Who knows what it's gonna do really, because this right here, I've noticed when it's red, they're a lot longer and a lot bigger. So right here it's barely starting. So I might continue a little bit more and then it'll start shooting here on the green. This is the MACD. Countdown to opening. I wonder if I've never had this app on right when the market opens. I wonder if it makes that bell sound, you know. We'll see right now, but I'm not gonna rush into any trade. I'm gonna take my time, try to make something, you know. If I make $50, okay. If I make 100, good. But I honestly want to double my money. But that takes time, you know, an hour 20 minutes. And then you never know what it's gonna do. It could be going up and all of a sudden it could just slam down and then you're at a loss. There, it opened. So no bell sound. Because I had my thing off. Damn it. I should have left it on. I'm gonna go on to this. Yeah, it looks like it's... You see how it moves when the market opens? It just goes crazy. It starts losing its mind. It moves just like... goes from 85 cents to 86, 87, 83. It just jumps around. But you know what? I'm gonna just let like a few minutes pass by. I'm gonna stop the video. I don't want to go in right away. I want to look for a good opportunity, and then I'm gonna exit here. I'm just gonna look at what's... This is what's up. So that's the one that's up 105%, 107%. This one's up too. Let's see, what is this one doing? Yeah, but this one's expensive, $19 a share, meaning I can buy less shares and I'm probably not gonna make as much money. Alpha Protect says 14 million face masks will be fulfilled. That's good news right there. They're gonna sell $14 million worth of masks for the coronavirus. That's real good news. It says it will be fulfilled, so this one's probably gonna shoot up. It's just at a expensive price, you know, 20 cents a share. I mean, $20 a share. Well, $19.38, but you see, I'm just gonna let it play out. I don't know if I want to jump into that either. So that one has good news. What about this one? And you see that one has a dip. We can readily understand why investors are attracted to unprofitable companies. For example, biotech and mining exploration companies often lose money for years before finding success with a new treatment or mineral discovery. So these people are trying to find treatments for the coronavirus. That's why they're going up. Wait, but the harsh reality is that very many loss-making companies burn through all their cash and go bankrupt. Oh, that's not good. Given this risk, we thought we'd take a look at whether IBIO shareholders should be worried about its cash burn. We'll consider the company's annual negative free cash flow. So I guess yeah, they shoot up when they try to find like treatments, but then I guess they go bankrupt. Yeah, so this is not something where, because it's already been about 3 minutes, and some of them in 3 minutes it'll be like, see, I should have bought it down here. If I would have bought it down here at 49 cents, I would have been at 50 cents. I'm not gonna go for that one. It's this one. Doing. You see, it doesn't want to break its pre-market high. It's pre-market high of 197. You see, it's going down. So if I bought down here at 170, at 128, and I sold up here at 192, that's like 30 cents. 30 cents is good, depending how many shares I buy. See, I could probably buy down there. Has it been 15 minutes? No, it's only been 5 minutes. And it's dumping. So I don't think I want to go in. You see? But I think I'm going to go in. So if I go in like right here, 167, 170. That's 170? I thought it was 128 up here. Something's wrong with this. I wonder why it's selling off. Go to news. There's no recent news, but it's selling off. So that's the big dip right there. I think I'm gonna go in. This is where I want to go in. It's only been 5 minutes, but screw it. I mean, no, you know what? I'm scared. I'm gonna go into this because I'm risking my hard-earned money. It didn't come easy. It's not easy to wake up at 3 a.m. and go to work and be on your knees and like get a. You see, I should have bought it. Okay, I'm gonna buy. Okay, so I'm gonna buy at 164, and then I'm just gonna buy. That's what estimated amount. I'm just gonna buy like $1,000. 1,000. That is 642 shares. You see, and it went up. You see, I'm just gonna stay on this screen, because when it goes down, I can adjust this to limit price. So what I want to do, now it's going up. You see, I should have bought it down there. I would have made 10 cents already. And I think it's going to continue to go up. $1.80 again. I'm going to go in at $1.80 again. You see, that's kind of like the support level, 162. Yeah, it's probably gonna start going up, but it didn't surpass the pre-market $1.98. It just got to it and then it went down. I wonder if it's gonna do it again, or is it gonna go past the pre-market? Well, actually, 198. If it goes past 198, who knows? It might just shoot up to 250. Dang, I should have bought in that dip. I would have had like $300 already. Wow. I missed out. Okay, I'm exaggerating. Maybe not $300, but I would have had something. It's not doing what it did yesterday. The first 15 minutes it was going down. Now it was the first 5 minutes it was going down. But I'm not gonna buy up there, because if I buy up there and then it goes back down to here, I guess I'm gonna look into something else, you know. I think I'm gonna be standing on the sidelines today. Look at this one. This is the one that sold. Oh no, this is not the one that sold 15,000 masks. Where's the one that sold 15,000 masks? Wow, this one's shooting up. Why couldn't I find that one? Yeah, I missed out. See, this is why this is so risky. Like, you never know what's gonna happen. I could buy there and then it could just drop down to here and then I'm screwed. It doesn't even have good news, so why would I buy? The one that I had good news, the one that was this one. Which one was it? Was it this one? Was it this one? No, I can't even find it anymore. The one that said it's gonna sell 15 million masks. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Oh, this is the one that's gonna sell 14 million masks. You would think this one would shoot up to like $40 a share, but I guess not. Which is Alpha Pro Tech is at $20 or $18 now a share. Damn it. See a lot of buyers, I think. All this green, I think, is buyers. But doesn't go up. This one was the one I should have gone into. Look, it's already at 87 cents a share. What is it? IBIO. IBIO. So let's see. IBIO. So if I would have gone in right when the market opened, I would have made 64%. What the hell? I'm not gonna go in now. It's probably gonna dump right after I go in. It's gonna take out my hard-earned money, you know. Yeah, you see how it stopped? I wonder why. I'm gonna look at it at TDAmeritrade. Usually TDAmeritrade says if it got halted or something. Because if it got halted going up, that's good news. It's probably gonna continue going up. So I think this thing got halted. But the thing is, this, you see? Halt. That means I should go in. So when it opens, it's probably gonna open way high. It's not gonna open at 87 cents a share. When it does a halt, I don't know, it takes like 5 minutes, 10 minutes to reopen. And usually it reopens a lot higher than it's currently at if it's going in an uptrend. But if it's going at a downtrend, it'll open lower than where it's at. So this might open like at 97 cents a share or maybe $1 a share. So it's currently 648. It'll probably open again at 652. This one's just not moving that much. The one that's moving is this one, IBIO. Oh, it opened already. Oh, and it didn't open higher. I thought it was going to open higher. You see, I guess that's not true with all halts. Because it halted on an uptrend. And it's actually dumping right now. So maybe I should buy. Like, I should buy like the dip. See, I'm gonna adjust this. $75. Did it get halted again? It stopped. Got halted again. Going down. That's not good. So how much did it even go down? We'll see. It went down 20%. After the halt, it just went down 20%. Guess what I should do is instead of trying to buy under it, because if it starts going up, where is it? Like maybe I should try to buy above it, up here, and then sell over here. So buy it at 70 cents, sell at 80 cents. But what if it goes up to 70 cents? If it goes up to 70 cents and then it starts going back down, and then I'm screwed. If I would have gone in the morning, this went up 68%. Put in $3,000, I make $1,500. But then again, you don't know what it's gonna do. Like, it doesn't even have good news, so why should I buy it? Must buy it. What does it say? Oh, that's what I read earlier. What I don't like about this, it doesn't say if it got halted or not, and it doesn't say when it's gonna resume. Like, where does it say it got halted? It doesn't say. Let's see, I'm gonna go here to markets, and then I'm gonna go decliners. Look how many decliners. Where is it? Top gainers. Code DX. That's the one that sold 16 million masks or whatever. No. But it's been in an uptrend. You see? Could have gone in here. Sold up here, made $2. That's a lot of money. Hold on. See, that's the thing. You can't get in and out fast enough. Would have been up. I'm just gonna say 70. Okay. Place order. Continue. Confirm. That's the thing, like, I put in the order there, it's a green line. So if it hits this green line, it's gonna turn blue. But then it started shooting up. If it goes above that, it's probably gonna continue going up. Usually it takes a while to, if it breaks that resistance point, if it does it real fast, it's gonna go up a lot. But if it takes a long time like this, like it doesn't want to break it, it's gonna go back down. See, it's going back down. So I'm gonna buy 1,271 shares at 70 cents. If it hits this green line. So I have 2 trades. This is my cash balance and this is my day trade buying power. It looks like it's gonna start going down again. Usually after a strong dip, it will try to shoot back up because a lot of people like to buy dips. But right now it hasn't dipped so far, not yet. See, that's what I don't like. I don't like that line graph. How do I get rid of that line graph? See, I don't want this line graph. See, it's gonna hit it. There it goes, there it goes. If it gets me in, I'm just gonna try to sell at 80 cents. It's almost there. Maybe I should just adjust this to like 72 cents. It seems it doesn't want to go down anymore. Does this do? Oh, I can move it with this button. Like I can move it up, you see? There, it went to, I can move this up. That's kind of cool. TDAmeritrade doesn't have that. See, I just adjusted it, and then the buy price. You see? Cool. Hey, but what happened? I wanted to go in right there. There. Oh, then I have to hit the check button if that's what I really want. Or the X button to know. See, then it takes me back to that spot, which is kind of cool, you know. It's better than hitting this and then hitting this middle button, then going here, looking at the graph, changing the number. That's kind of cool. You just hit the button and then you adjust this. You take it to wherever you want. You hit the check mark sign, meaning that you do want this to change, and simple as that. You see, it's trying to go up now. I could tell. So you know what? I might adjust this. Let's see. Yeah, but it wants to go up, but it doesn't break the high. It just goes up to the high, and then it dumps. It's not like it has. The news is the same thing. This is the one that announced the postponement of annual meeting. So it's not super good news, you know. It looks like it's just going down, really. It's not gonna do nothing. So I'm gonna cancel this. I'm gonna hit this button, and then I think I can hit this button. Where's the cancel button? No, not that one. What does this do? Cancel order. Yeah, I'm gonna. Should I cancel it? Yeah, I'm gonna cancel it. Cancel order, yes. Order has been canceled out. There, it's not there anymore. What's this doing? Oh, that's a perfect time to buy. Perfect time to buy. Where's my buy at? I was supposed to buy. There. Once it hits that green line, like I can adjust this too, you see. I can grab it, put it up here. Hit the check mark, okay. Modification's been sent out, but it takes forever. So what happened? There, it got me in. Oh, it's going down now. As soon as it got me in position, I'm up $5. So this I think I can leave it for an hour. Hopefully in an hour it's like over here somewhere. Or I can add more money. So you see it got me in at $1.69, 637 shares. And if I want, I can even add more money. But you know what? I'm gonna add more money if it goes under my buy price, so I could get a cheaper price. But I also could do it. You see, it's going up. So I'm just gonna add more money here at 170. Oh, let's see. Buy. I'm just gonna say I'm gonna buy more at 178. Okay. Place order. Wait, cancel. How much do I want to buy? I want to buy $1,000. $1,000 at 178. 1,300. I'll say at 170. 177. Okay, place order. Confirm. There. So if it hits that right there, it hit it. Oh no, it didn't hit it. But look, it did hit it. Now it's going up even more. So how much money do I have now? $79 is pretty good. I should sell it. I should be happy with $79. Okay, so how do I sell? I press this button, then I hit sell. I'm just gonna sell market, sell, confirm. There. So it should sell me at whatever price it's at the market there. So how much did I make? Yeah, I could have kept going up, but you know what? I should be happy with $79. Let's see. So orders, performance. I'm just gonna say a week. So I only made like $70. You see, now I only have one trade left. And you know what? If I would have stayed on it, no, look, it started going down. So yeah, it shot up, but then it looks like it's gonna start to go down. Who knows, it might start going back up. Tonics. Let's see, tonics. So yeah, it went down, and then this is where I bought, kind of in the bottom, and it went up. But I don't know if it's going to continue to go up. But I'm not going to trade that one anymore. This one, what is this one doing? This is the one that got halted. It got halted going up, and then I thought it was going to continue to go up, but it just slammed down after the halt. And then yeah, it did go back up, but look, it doesn't want to break the 88 cent high. Okay. Oh, you see, that's what I made today. $73. I want to make $2,000. This is the one that postponed, I think, the meeting or something. It went up. $69, 35 cents. So if, like, let's say I bought 1,000 shares, 1,000 times 35 cents, $3.50, a lot more. Or what was it, $73? Let's see. Yeah, $73. So the first buy was at 10:05, but here in California it was 7:05 because it's 3 hours ahead. This is Eastern time, and I don't know how to change this. I think it just stays in Eastern time. So in 3 minutes I made $73. Who's gonna pay you $73 in 3 minutes? Yeah, this one's probably gonna go back up all the way over here, but that's if I wanted to hold it for like an hour, 40 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever. I don't want to hold it that long. Like, you never know when it's gonna do the exact opposite, and when it does the exact, like when it starts selling off, it goes down a lot faster than it goes up. Well, not all the time. I guess it's taking its time to go down, but up, it's at $4.20 a share. So what is that? CPLI. You see, this one, if I would have bought in the dip at $3.40, sold it at $4.30, I would have made almost a whole dollar. So I'm gonna stop trading for now. I'm just gonna let some time pass by, refresh my memory, and then I might come back to these. Look, all the other markets, they're just going down. Everything's going down because of this coronavirus. The only ones that go up are these biotechs that are trying to figure out how to cure the virus or how to treat the virus. Well, this is a biotech. This one did go up 100%, but I guess it's going down now, you see. But sometimes these that get beat down like this, they'll have like, there's little spikes that it does. Sometimes it'll spike up like right here, who knows, 40 cents and $1. No, but I don't think it's gonna spike up $1, because if it spiked up $1, it would go from 130 to 230. 230 is a lot. It's way up here. If anything, it would just spike up like 10 cents, 15 cents. But I'm not even gonna trade that. It's a pre-market loser. Yeah, everything's going down thanks to that coronavirus. Alright, so I'm gonna come back later. I might do another trade. Sorry if this video is so long. Okay, everybody, so I'm back. And this one, so it's currently just going down. Which would be a good spot to buy. A lot of people are selling it. You see all that red? That means everybody's selling. So it's probably going to continue going down. That's what I think. I'm not sure. Like, there's some buyers now. Like, all the sellers, now there's buyers. Okay, so what's happening here? It's starting to go back up. You know, I'm not even going to trade it. I should be happy with $73. There's a lot of buyers now. You know, but I think I'm going to... Maybe I should have traded it. You see, I should have bought it down there. Now it's not going to go down. Too many buyers. Look. It went from down here to... Well, each candlestick represents 1 minute. So if I would have gone in right here at the low of 65 cents, it would have taken 3 candlesticks, which is 3 minutes. This is the minute chart. And then I would be up that amount. 65 cents, which is, it says here 67. That goes from 60 to 70. What is that? 5%. 3 cents. 5%, 3 cents. But you could buy a lot of shares when it's under $1. Like if I would have put in like 1,500 times 5%, another $75. And I had already made 73, so I would have been up 148. So now they're selling off. See, it's going down back again. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to stay out of this mess. Like, I don't want to lose what I made. Just trying to make money another day. At the low, $3.46. Right now it's at $5. Wow. You never know when this is, like, every time it makes a new high, like I keep thinking it's gonna crash. It's gonna flush down. But no, it keeps going up. And does it even have good news? It just says this: 18 medical stocks to watch amid the coronavirus outbreak, and that's one of them. But not all of them are going up. Like there's some that already went up 100%, but right now they're losing. Like this one, Crystal Pharma, it did go up one day 100% after the market opened, and it had gone up like 80% pre-market. But right now it's currently, it's one of the losers. It's way down here. You see, so it's not going up anymore. See, it's been going down. It went down pre-market, and then it went down after the market opened. So not all of them go up, and then you never know when they're gonna dump. The only thing to kind of like increase your chances of winning and not losing is buying the dip. Look, that's a dip right there. Went down all the way to 442. That's a lot of sellers and buyers. And it might just go back up. What about the other one that I was talking about? I had a dip too. Where was that one? I don't even remember. There's so many on here that I don't even remember. See, it's gonna start to go up. Back again. Right when I mentioned it, like I should have bought it. I should have gone in. Look, I would have made. Oh, I would have made like what? 33. Go up to 63 is 10 cents. And it goes up to 60. Here we go. I would have made a 30 cents. Look how fast it went down. A lot of sellers now. Because most of them, they go in, make 15 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, and they get out. That's what I do too. Yeah, but I'm just going to stay out of it. But I should take another trade. You know why? Because tomorrow I'm going to be at work. And it's not easy to trade while you're working. Look, see, Dow Jones, 803 points. So $800 it went down. 2%, almost 3%. Nasdaq down, S&P 500 down. This whole week has been going down, just down. Yeah, but I'm not gonna trade it. I'm gonna go back to bed, I think. So I'm losing a lot, 500. Got a feeling it's gonna recover though. It's this one. See, I bought 3 times. The last time I bought was at 344. 200 shares here, 260 shares here, 300 shares here. So a total of 886 shares. Okay. So my price target was 450 over here. This is gonna take maybe a couple hours to kind of get back to this spot. In case it goes a little bit above my blue line here, I might sell up here, because this is gonna be a resistance point. It's gonna take a long time to get up there. We'll see. I'll check back into it. I think I'm just gonna turn off my phone for like an hour 30 minutes, come back to it. Hopefully by then it's over here, which is not something you should do. You shouldn't hope on these stocks like they don't care about you. They're gonna take your hard-earned money that didn't come easy. Like, with no problem. I was down 500, now I'm down 294, so I'm recovering my loss. It's an 8% loss. Yeah, but I'm just gonna hold off. I'll be back like in an hour. So 8:42, I'll be back like around 9:42. So I got myself in some real trouble. You can see here, that's my loss, 574. At one point it was 600, over 600. You got people over here that make comments, they don't know what really is going to happen with the stock. They just like to post comments. It says, you see, buy the dip coming to the top soon. It's not going to go back up. I doubt it. Being down this long. Who is he anyways? He doesn't know. That was 38 minutes ago. Overnight holds. Well, this is one of them. That's the one I have. So I guess I'm going to end up holding it overnight. Hopefully tomorrow it goes back up to like 5. And if it could, because I went in like right here, if tomorrow it goes past 5, somewhere higher, like 7, 8, maybe 10, then yeah, I would make a lot of money. But this is gonna be a swing trade. It's not gonna be a day trade if I'm waiting till tomorrow. My risk level right now is, I have to have caution, but I still have the one trade. But tomorrow I'll have the one trade because I'm gonna hold it until tomorrow. Looks like it's trying to go back up. Down 346. I'm 40 cents down now. 296 loss. Wow. $358. Come on, 380. Yeah, it's gonna go down. It'd be nice if it goes up all the way to like here. So I adjusted my sell point. I want to sell at 433. It's under the EMA line now. By the looks of it, it doesn't want to break this 375 over 2 hours. It's 11:32. I'm actually getting kind of hungry. I'm gonna go eat, then I'll look back into it. Hopefully when I'm back, it's somewhere around here, close to my sell point. We'll see what happens. Hey everybody, so it's Friday the 28th, and this company here, I bought it yesterday. It was, I'm not sure what time it was, but I held it pretty much the whole day and I never sold it because I was losing on it, and I kept wanting this company to go back up to my break-even point where pretty much I'm not gonna lose money. And I can show you guys here on the watch list. It's this one, Cleveland Vials. So here it is. And actually the market closes at 1 California time, so it's 6:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. California time. I thought it was till 1:30, but no, it's till 1. So here you can see on this candlestick right here, it was at 12:42. It did kind of like go above my blue line, because whenever it hits this blue line, if I pull out at that blue line, which is at $3.81, that's my break even line. So if it gets to that point and I sell it at that point, I don't lose money. I pretty much don't make nothing. So it went above it like 5 cents, because it went up to like 3.85 or 4 cents, because I'm at this price. So this is the pre-market hours. It's usually around I think it's 4 in the morning. Oh no, that's pre-market, because there's an aftermarket hour from like 1 till like I think it's 4:30 or something like that, or 4. And then there's a pre-market hour, and then the pre-market hour, it's been going up, so that's why I have that gain. You see my position? Well, it went down now. It was 380, but it's 360. But I got a feeling that when the market opens, this thing's just gonna start like dumping down, and it's that's what I don't want. Like, I'm happy with $300 if I can, but if it does the opposite, it just starts going up, I'm still gonna put in a limit sell order, and then I'm just gonna follow it, and I'm gonna always be like maybe 10 cents under it, follow it up. That way I could try to get the most out of it. But if it moves too fast, there could be a chance that while I'm trying to move it up, it'll go down, and then I'll pretty much like hop the candlestick, hop over it, and then I could probably like be in a risky situation there. So we'll see what happens. I wonder if I could put the sell order right now. I'm just gonna put the sell order like somewhere around here. I'll put a sell, let me see. I have to sell 886 shares. 410, sell. And you see, I forgot how many I own. It's 886. 886. 886. Sell. But I wonder if it thinks I wanna. No, I have to do it differently. I have to hit this, because then it's probably gonna want me to short it. If I do the sell button, it's probably gonna want to go down. So I have to hit this here, and then I have to hit this, and then yeah, right here is where I put it. Sell, and I'm gonna put it at 410. 410. Sell. Continue. Confirm. You see, it takes a while for the line to come out. There it goes. It takes about like 2-3 seconds. So once the market opens, if it starts dumping, it's gonna hit my 410, and I should make at least, well, not $300 no more, probably like 250 or 270. The market opens. So if it starts going up back here to the high of 475, what I'm gonna just do, I'm gonna hit this box right here, and then if I hit this little blue circle, I can drag it to where I want. Look, I can drag it up here. I could just follow it up and then just be like 5 cents under it. But I'm gonna try not to get too greedy and just kind of like, because I know I want to make a nice amount, but I just don't want to also get too greedy where you see it's dumping. You see it's dumping already. That's why I'm thinking when the market opens, it's just gonna tumble down. Right now it's currently at it doesn't say. I just kind of have to look. It's pretty much at my price, 410. And it doesn't seem like it wants to go up. I got a feeling once the market opens, it's just gonna wanna start going down. See? So maybe I should just be happy with 200. I'm gonna change this because I don't want it to skip it. Like, I want it to hit my price. I'm just gonna go down here to 408. Oh dang, it's pretty much under 408 now. You see, it is gonna dump once it opens. Here, I'll be happy with that. Order cannot be modified. Why? That's kind of lame. It can't be modified. About there. What if I cancel it? Can I cancel it? 30 seconds left. I'm gonna cancel it. Cancel. I got 30 seconds to do this. Oh no, this is gonna be disaster. This is gonna be disaster. Please read the following answer for this decision. What the hell? I'm in trouble now. I'm in trouble now. You see, it just takes forever to cancel. Is the market open already? Yeah, the market's open. I think so. Yeah, it is open. So before it dumps, let me see. What happened to my order? It sold it. Hey everybody, so I'm still kind of getting familiar with this Webull app, and I didn't know, but if you want to see the amount you made per stock, you have to go over here where it says stock profit loss. So here it is. Today I made 236 with this company, and I took a swing trade. I first went in at 8 a.m. around there yesterday, the 27th, and today is February 28th, and I sold it right when the market opened with a $236 gain. And then this one is a $105 gain I made on Tuesday, and this is a $73 gain I made on Thursday the 27th. So my very first trade I only made $3.65. The second trade I did $22.96. The third trade I've done is 105. Fourth trade is 73, and the swing trade I did this morning was 236. So I bought 3 times with this. I bought at 383 first, I think, 1104, and then I bought like 10 minutes later almost. I bought another 260 shares because it kept going down. So it filled me at 393, and then it kept going down, and I got filled last time at 344. So I was averaging down, but I was seeing Ross Canyon YouTube videos, and he says that does work if it goes down, like averaging down, like your position will go down, and it'll be easier to hit it, right, to go when it goes back up, when it shoots back up. But he said that it doesn't always work, and sometimes when it doesn't work, your losses just keep growing. So I'm just gonna try not to do that strategy anymore, like, because worst case scenario, it never bounces back up, and it just keeps going down, and I'm just adding to my position, so my loss is getting bigger and bigger. But it's worked for me for the like last 2 trades or something, but I don't know, I shouldn't be doing that. Another thing I want to say, so for these promotions that they have over here, I guess I messed up, because this promotion here, I think what I was supposed to do, I was supposed to hit this, and then I was supposed to scroll down, and right here where it says get it now, I was supposed to hit that there. But what I did, I just went to this promotion is deposit 2,000 or more and you get 5 free stocks. But what I did, I think what I did was I went to right here, deposit, and I just deposited 2,000 here. So I don't think I'm going to get the promotion because I did that. I'm not sure if I did that, but I think that's what I did. So I might not get that promotion, 5 free stocks. I messed up. Just wanted to share that with anybody who's thinking about getting these promotions. Hopefully they don't do that mistake. If anybody wants the Webull app, I'm going to place my my link on the description. But I am saying that this is risky. I suggest that you paper trade first to get familiar with the app. The only bad thing about paper trading, for some reason, here, paper trading, and show, like, I can do a quick trade just to kind of show you for a little demonstration. So quick trade, IBIO. This is paper trading just to show you guys. So you want to do is you see it doesn't even do that, where you could hit this and then hit the buy button, where you see right here where it says positions and orders, it should have that buy sell button, which is that one. So paper trading, I don't know why it's not like similar to like the real trading. You can't even do that. And then when you do buy, this line doesn't come out. I can show you guys, give you an example here. I guess you gotta hit this paper trading buy, and I'll just say I'm gonna buy 10 shares, and then I'm just gonna say at 220, and then I'm gonna hit confirm. Request sent out. You see, and the order line, it doesn't come out. That blue line, that's supposed to show you your point of entry or your point of sell. So that's the only thing I don't like about so I do suggest, if you want to do paper trading, maybe, because I know TDAmeritrade paper trading doesn't do that, I can go to my TDAmeritrade here. Let's see. I can just hit, then I hit this green box at whatever price I want to go in. I'll just say this price, hit the green box, and then instantly here, if I want 100 shares, which is a $233 investment, but I'm just for demonstration, I'm gonna say yes, confirm, paper trade, close, watch this, and it's green. It's a green box. When it's green, it means it didn't get you in. But when it turns purple, that means the point of sell is it's already triggered. But the thing I do like about TDAmeritrade, you can hit this button here, and then it's got like this little circle where you can just adjust this line right here in the graph, and I can move it up, I can move it down. But this one, no, you have to hit it. And you first have to find like, okay, I hit it, and then you go to replace order, and this is the mark, this is the current price, so you could change it to that price. Here at 31, it went up to 38, so I'll just hit 38, confirm, paper trade, close, watch this, and this one instantly it's there. You see it's purple, it's a purple line now. So, and it actually filled me at a lower price, which is good. That's a thing that I do like about TDAmeritrade. If it's lower and you put it in a higher price, sometimes they fill you in at a lower price. So because I put in 238 and they filled me in at 232. So then position, and I also like that they show you the profit and loss of the actual company, like the actual price right here. And this is your profit loss for the day. So I'm just gonna sell it, not gonna make much on it. So you go to watch list, and then and actually losing money now, almost losing money. Well, I can put a sell order like right above it. I can hit this box here, and I could hit the sell button, and it's gonna sell 100 shares, which is what I bought. And the current price is at 227. I got in at 232, so and it's going down, which is not good, but it was just a demonstration. I wasn't really gonna buy at a high. And look, it's going down more, 213. But if I wanted to make profit, at least at 235. You see? But it's way down now, so it's selling off. And then this is the thing that I was talking about earlier, the averaging down. This, what I meant is like you buy more right here at the bottom. So this purple line, instead of being up here at 232, it's gonna go at the midway point. So it's probably gonna be at 225. For instance, I can give you an example here. I'm just gonna do it for this one. So I'm gonna go in, hit buy. I'm just gonna buy 200 shares, and I'm gonna say at the current price, which is right here, 196. 196. Confirm, paper trade. You see, this is not 232 anymore. Now it's 208. It averaged down. So now it takes less time for this candlestick to go up to the purple line. Instead of the purple line being way up here and hitting it, now it's a little bit more down. But the bad thing about that is that you have a larger amount, so your losses get bigger faster. But if it goes above the green line, that's where you pretty much start making money already. So then I can adjust this. So it's 300 shares at 208. So I can adjust. I hit this red button here, I adjust it, replace order, and I say 300 shares. And then I'm just gonna say 220. Confirm, paper trade, close, which is gonna be like what, only 10 cents. Like it's almost about to hit it. There, it hit it. So how much did I make? I made $37. How much time? So it was right here, orders. You go to orders and then you go to field. And in a matter of, I first went in at 46, I sold at 50. So that was 4 minutes. In 4 minutes, I got paid $37. Okay, so that was just a demonstration. But if you like my video, you could hit the thumb button, the like button, and that will help this video get exposed to other people, I guess, or something. But thanks for watching. Okay, bye.